Now we're going to multiply integers. We have the problem to the left, 2 times -3. So anytime you do not have a sign, that means it's going to be positive. So we could write a positive and put parentheses around it. Do not need to. So we're going to multiply, and we've got a positive times a negative. So we're going to keep our signs, a positive and a negative. And then 2 times 3 is going to give us 6. Now again, you do not need to keep this positive sign, so you can simplify by just writing -6. Over to the right, we have the problem -2 times -3. So again, you can put parentheses around this, but you are not required to. And we have a negative times a negative, which gives us a -negative, and 2 times 3, which gives us 6. Now you have a different ways of looking at this. You can look at this as the opposite of -6, which would give you +6. You could look at it as the opposite of a negative, which gives you a positive, and then you just bring down the 6. Eventually, you'll just remember that a negative times a negative is going to give you a positive.